Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use the network sniffing software Wireshark to capture and analyze data packets and traffic. Wireshark can capture all the network traffic that comes into the local machine and also go out of the local machine. First, I will start with a Mac operating system and install the packet sniffing software Wireshark and show the basic capturing method. Then I will move over to the Windows machine and do some more capture and analysis. First, I will download Wireshark. So I go to the wireshark.org. And then go to the download link. There are different download release based on your operating system. You should download the appropriate release. Currently I am using Mac, so I will download Mac version. If your operating system doesn't support the current release of Wireshark, then look for an older release and you should be able to run one of the older release. The download is complete. The default security preferences settings doesn't allow to install from unknown sources, so I need to change the security preferences. As you can see, Wireshark has started. Now I cannot start capturing unless I install this software. So I will start Wireshark again. You can see at least one of these network adapters is active and that is connecting to the internet. So I can start capturing packet by double clicking on it. Wireshark is capturing packets. The Wireshark software window has several areas. At the top there are icons and menus, and then there is a display filter, and you can filter the captured packets based on specific criteria such as specific protocol. I will stop capturing right now and then I will filter only for HTTP protocol. So type in HTTP and then press enter. Now it's showing only the data packets that are using HTTP protocol. Next, I will filter by DNS, showing all the packets that are using DNS protocol and so on. The next section is the list of packets. It has several columns. The left one is the packet number, then the time, and then the source IP address and destination IP address, protocol, length, and other information. These packet numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4 when considering all packet types, and then time starts from 0 when the first packet captures. Then source IP address is the IP address of either this computer or a computer on the internet or from another computer on the network. So if this computer is sending a data packet to outside, then the source would be the IP address of this computer and the destination would be the IP address of the other computer where it is sending. If this computer is receiving a data packet, Then the source would be the outside computer from where it's coming, and the destination would be this computer's IP address. And then the name of the protocol this data packet is using, length of the packet, and other information. Now you can select one specific data packet, and then you can see detail of that packet. So detail of that packet includes the protocol that you filtered with, or the protocol that this data packet applies to, as well as this data packet has other headers such as TCP or UDP. In this specific case, DNS uses UDP, and then IP protocol, Ethernet protocol, and finally frame. So all these different type of packets are encapsulating one into another, and this is the innermost one. Anyway, you can expand all this data packet header information. This is actually the header information of that specific protocol, and you can see the detail of that header information. And then the last block shows the detail inside the data packet. Now I'm gonna restart and recapture. So I will start capturing packet by clicking on this icon, and then I will not save already captured packet, so I say continue without saving. Next, I'm gonna filter only HTTP protocol, and also I will visit one specific page that uses HTTP. So this is the page that I'm visiting. It's simply one line content. Next, I will go to the Wireshark window and then stop capturing. Now you can see several HTTP packets have been captured. If I remove the HTTP filter and press enter, then it shows all different types of data packets. I put HTTP filter again, then it's showing only HTTP data packets. This is the basic about how you use the Wireshark software, and then you can look into detail of each of these data packets. Let's say, for example, the first data packet, if I go into detail header, HTTP header of that data packet, then I can see that it's using HTTP version 1.1, and then if I expand it more, this is a GET request. That means this request is sending out from this machine to the destination to get this specific file. So the source IP is the IP of my local computer. It's sending a GET request towards the server, and this is the destination server IP address where this request is going to. You can also see more detail about this HTTP request. For example, request version HTTP 1.1, and then accept language is English Canada, and this is the file that has been requested. Now the next data packet, if you look here, the source is an IP address 128.119. This is a public IP address, that means it's coming from the internet, and 192.168 is a private IP address, which is the IP address of this machine. So it is the destination. So this data packet came from this IP to this IP, which is the local computer. And if you look into detail of this data packet, then you can see that again this is a response using HTTP version 1.1. The status code is 200, which is equivalent to OK, and the status code description says it's OK. 200 means OK. Response phrase is also OK. This is status code 200 represent OK. So the response was OK for the GET request. And then this is the time, the server information from where this response came. And then you have some other information such as content length. And then this is the requested file, and the file data is 81 bytes. Also, you can see another GET request and response. This is a favicon.icon. This is an icon file, which is used for the web page itself. So we'll not look into this file. We'll focus on the file that we requested and the response we got. So the response we got, that the file content, and that's why you see the file content here. Alright, next I will move over to the Windows platform and do some more data capture and analysis. So I'm at a Windows machine now, and I will start Wireshark in Windows environment. I already installed Wireshark in this Windows machine. Now this machine is connected by an Ethernet card. In your case, check out which network card is showing activities. So I click on the network card, and then the packet capturing starts. I will stop this capturing, and that is the end of this video. I hope you found this video was helpful. If you would like to receive notifications on future videos, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and set up notifications by tapping on the bell. Thank you for watching.